Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. I'm Teresa. Today's video is going to be all about tiered trays. This is going to be part one of a tiered tray series just to give y'all some tiered tray inspiration. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. I want to also mention that today's video is a collaboration with another great YouTube creator. Her name is Jamie. She's over at Texas Girl DIYs. So when my video is over, please go over, send Jamie some love, tell her I sent you, and enjoy her channel. I know you'll love everything she does. Jamie does just about everything over on her channel. She does everything from farmhouse, trash to treasure. She does thrift hauls. She does rustic decor. She does back to school, coastal. You name it, Jamie pretty much does it. So again, y'all go over and show her some love, and I hope you enjoy your channel. And I know y'all will. If you haven't joined my Facebook Home Decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. First thing I had to do to bring y'all some tiered tray inspiration is to get a tiered tray. And y'all know I'm all about using things I already have at home. So I made this tiered tray back at Easter, and I will link that video below if you'd like to go out and just see how I made the tray. And I wanted to make it something unique, so I painted it blue, and I will show you how I made the stands. But I'm going to take those stands, and then I'm going to take something that I have, and I purchased this last summer at a little local store, and it's like a little hanging, two-tiered hanging tray. It has two trays, and then it had the rooster at the top. So I'm going to use this and that base from the blue tray, and I'm going to try to make a farmhouse tray and show y'all some inspiration on how to decorate it. So here I'm just taking the chains off, and I just basically took my pliers, and I just kind of twisted back and forth, and they come off really easy. Okay, after I got the chains removed, I got some rough sandpaper, and I went over the places where the chains were just so there wouldn't be any sharp edges. Now I'm going to add a base to it, some feet, and these are little doll heads you get in packs in the Walmart craft section, and I just hot glued those on. Now I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue, and I'm going to glue that base to the bottom tray. The base I'm using is a repurposed pepper mill. I bought this at a thrift store a couple of years ago, and we used it in our kitchen for a while, and then it didn't work anymore. So I decided to use it as a tiered tray base. I originally spray painted it cowboy brown, and I just left it brown. Now I'm going to glue the top tray on using the same Gorilla Glue and a little bit of hot glue. And I let this set up to dry for a couple of 3 hours, and now it's all glued together, and now it is ready to decorate. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Now I want to give y'all some inspiration of things you can decorate it with to go in your bathroom that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree. You can use their frames. Always shop their greeting cards. You can put them in the frames and make some cute little art decor. Get some little rubber ducks and a package of cotton balls, and I'll show you in just a minute how we can make a cute little statement piece. They have a great assortment of decorative soaps, little mini buckets in the wedding section, 6 packs of small waters, 4 packs of washcloths. They also have a great assortment of candles and votives. And books. Now I'm going to show you how we can take some of these items, stage our tray to style in our bathroom. Don't forget to go over and check out Jamie at Texas Girl DIYs, and I'm going to leave a link to her video in my description box, so make sure to go over and check out Jamie. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to. And also, if you know someone that would enjoy this video, please share it with your friends and family. And until the next video, I hope y'all have a great week, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching, y'all.